Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you how I got from this image to a retro look image like this using DxO FilmPack 7 and Photolab 8. First thing I did after opening the image was to correct the horizontals and verticals using Photolab's perspective tool. And then with the retouch tool I removed the distracting flagpole from the roof of the church. Next I moved on to crop the image, and I used the unconstrained crop to get the image looking the way I wanted. Next up I moved into the colour module of Photolab, selected a colour rendering and opted for a FilmPack colour negative emulation. In this case I settled on Portrait 160. And then, because I could, I went and added a LUT using a custom LUT I'd imported previously, and the LUT I used was called Timeless. You can only import 20 LUTs at a time before you start knocking imported LUTs off the custom list. Select the LUT and adjust opacity to suit. Next I popped into the FX module, which is where FilmPack 7's creativity options can be found. I checked the filters and decided to apply a cool tone from the many options available, and then adjusted the opacity of that filter. Then it was into the creative vignetting section. And then down to the frame section, or borders if you wish. Again, there are lots of options to choose from. But in the end I decided on the black on white frame. Adjust the size and whether the frame is inside or outside the image, and then set the size of the frame to the width that you like best. Then I added a texture and ended up using Paper Grain 1. Again, adjusting the opacity so as not to overdo the effect. And you can cycle through several options of the texture using that particular control. Light leaks are also available in this panel, but I opted not to add one. Up the top of the FX panel is instant watermarking. I've got 3 PNGs added already, and chose the white logo sitting in the bottom right hand corner. Fully scalable, set it to the size you want, adjust the opacity. You can also adjust the spacing from the edge of the image or the bottom of the image. When you're happy, you can actually go back in and adjust anything else, because remember, still working on the original raw file and all edits are non-destructive. Export your image and resize if necessary. And then before you leave, it's a good idea, I think, to create a preset from the settings that are used in the final image. In this case, I've named it Retro Look. To prove that it works, reset the whole image and then pop back down there and double click on the Retro Look. And that preset is also available in the main presets panel. And there you have it, creating a retro look using FilmPack 7 and Photolab 8.